In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add bio on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Instagram app and then just go to your profile. Once you've done that, right here, you will find Edit Profile button. And if you tap on it on the next step, you can easily find this bio option. And we can add, change, or edit that bio simply by tapping at the text field. And then we'll be able to add a bio. Up to 150 characters. We can write down here whatever we want. Any text, any URLs, and let's say I want to add some bio here. And once we have done that, we can just tap at Done to save that bio. That's how you can easily add bio on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.